This is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be looking at the referral program in our Business Pro account. So here on our homepage, we want to go down to our settings, and here we can go to the referral section. Now, when we look at our referral section, we have 3 links here for our personal subscription link, our GNW referral link, and our closing referral link. And we can share these just by clicking these copy buttons here. And we can also see the benefits that we receive when we refer individuals, notaries, and businesses. And on this page, we can also add a Stripe account to make sure we can get paid for our referrals, and we can see our pending payouts and completed payouts. As we scroll down a little bit more, we can also see our referred user statistics. And as the months go by, we can see how many people we referred. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.